On page 2 of your Dutch Complete Report, you will see a list of your androgen metabolites. So there are DHEA, DHA metabolites. You'll see testosterone, which you probably know well, and then Epi-Testosterone, which is not as well known. There are two primary uses for monitoring this metabolite. One of them has to do with catching cases where there's an issue with testosterone metabolism that means that your urine results might be artificially low. There's another video that speaks to that. It's a pretty complex situation. You can look at that. In this video, we want to talk about using Epi-Testosterone strategically in monitoring testosterone therapy. Here's how it works. The place that Epi-Testosterone comes from in terms of the research is when you look at, say, the Olympics, and they want to know if someone is supplementing with testosterone, in this case, they'd be cheating. They look at the ratio of these two. Why? Because Epi-Testosterone and testosterone are usually at about the same place in your blood and in your urine. If you take testosterone, exogenous testosterone use, what happens is your testosterone is going to go up. If the ratio of those two is excessive, then they're going to look at you for potentially taking testosterone. Well, we can use this same relationship to help in evaluating testosterone therapy. So if we look at a case where a man is, let's say, low for testosterone and his results are around, let's say, 15, the Epi-Testosterone is likely going to be in about that same place. So that means there's a deficiency in testosterone. The gonads, the testes, are making a little bit of testosterone, and the testes also make Epi-Testosterone. Now, I'm going to supplement that patient. And so that testosterone value is going to lift, which means I have a lot more testosterone, but Epi-Testosterone has not increased. In fact, because that's a picture of your endogenous production, what your body's making, the fact that you're taking testosterone is going to tell your brain, quit making LH, and LH is what tells your testes to make testosterone. So the hormone that you make, the testosterone that you make, will often go down as you supplement, and the Epi-Testosterone will as well. So in looking at the ratio of the two, you can use the Epi-Testosterone, and it's only a very approximate relationship, but you can use it in some sense as a pseudo baseline for endogenous production. So you can look at the relationship between the two and get some indication of maybe what the baseline levels would be if you weren't supplementing, and you can use that to somewhat assist you in monitoring your therapy. So it's a bit of an advanced use of these metabolites. And again, it's somewhat approximate in terms of those relationships, but in some cases, it's really helpful in terms of evaluating what's going on with a patient who's attempting to replace some of the testosterone that they don't have by taking exogenous testosterone. So if you have any questions about that in a particular case, feel free to reach out to the laboratory. We'd be more than happy to help walk you through how we would use this to best evaluate the therapy of your patient.